Right, thanks for joining me once again. Today we have this, which is a battery powered jigsaw, but it's the Einhell don't know how you would pronounce that exactly, but it's the TE-JS 18 LI Kit, which you can't see there because of the lights, but there you go. Just got it today. I do a lot of DIY, so there's my knife. I thought I'd better get it because I like battery powered stuff. So, does it come with a plastic box, or is it stupid? It's stupid. Judging by that, there is no plastic box, because unless it's in there, you're not going to fit a lot in there. That presumably you put your Hoover onto, or vacuum. There's your thingy-majig for cutting an exact length off. There's a bit. Here is a wad of instructions. Safety instructions and original operating instructions, and then that's just a bunch of places you would contact if it goes wrong. Warranty, which I'm not sure. There was the other thing that had 2 years. A battery. Oh. Very old battery. It's November 2017. Seems good from looks. It's not rubberized, even though that looks a bit possibly rubberized. Is it? No, it is just plastic. There's your power meter, which lights up red. It's not the easiest button there, but we have power. We have a charger. Excuse the birds as usual. There we have our charger. They flash both if it's not working. Well, that one flashes both, presumably. No. I don't know why I'm saying all this rubbish. They both flash, the top and the bottom one, if it's not working. If it's too hot, they just both stay on. And then if it's almost dead, it flashes the top one. If it's halfway, it stays solid red, and then when it's full, the bottom one lights green. God. UK plug, obviously, with thingy on. Again, seems to be originating from 2016. So it is wall mountable. You can put the cable the opposite way round, which is what I would do, because I would have that on a sideboard with the cable coming out the back. Does this clip on? Surely that clips. No. Nope, it doesn't clip, it just sits. That would be a bit strange on the wall like that. It's a bit front heavy. But that's not how I will have it. What's that? A bit of the box. Right, here's the main goodie. I'm not seeing any blade yet. Oh, I think I've marked my side. There's no blade. There's not one in the instructions, is there? Really? It's a bit stingy. Surely there's got to be a blade. No way. Well, that's good. How can they have not provided a blade? Oops. But I never. Well, I wouldn't personally have classed this as cheap and cheerful, but they seem to be quite stingy and not provide a blade. Hopefully I've got one. Not that I can test right this moment, but I think I may have one in the shed. But let's continue. This is called a pendulum. I'm sure that's what they refer to it as. You can have it straight down, slightly forward, or a lot forward. And that switches over quite easy. Oh, yeah. Switches over quite easy. Battery goes there, obviously. You can angle the foot, if that's what it's called, so you can get certain angles, presumably. Oh, that's easy. That's very easy. That's good. I like that. You can get 0 degree, 15, 30, 45, and then you can flip it the opposite way and get the same again. That's good. It's very quick release. And then, I'm not sure if you can see, but on 0 there's a lock there, unlock there, lock there. When you've got it in place, just pop that down again, and it's locked in place. I like that. That goes in there for getting how much of a cut you want. I believe that goes on there. Oh, thought I broke it then. Yeah, you put that on there, so when you're trying to cut a straight line, you can use the red to line it up and just continue. Oh, come on, get back off. Oh, no, It's a bit awkward to get back off, but it does come off eventually. It's supposed to have an LED. So let's pop the battery on. Oh! God, that's violent. Whoa! That's quick. But yeah, it has got an LED. If I put that foot on wrong, no, yeah, a little bit. It's a little bit off. Come on. Right, there we go. That should be straight now. But yeah, oh, I keep forgetting to push that. They could have placed that button sort of there, would have made life easier. Oops. Can you see it there? There's your LED just in there. Just in case you can't tell. But yeah, that sounds like it'd do a good job. It's got some guts to it. Not sure how long the battery will last. It doesn't feel wonky because there's the battery on the back. Oh, let's have a look at that. Does it go that way? Does it clip in? That just sits there. So you just stick that in. The mouth bit is just in there. You pop your Hoover vacuum on the end there, and then as you're cutting away, it sucks it out. I like that. That's good. I look forward to using it. So, there we go. This is everything you get. Literally everything you get. Because you don't get a blade. That's what you get with your, I forgot the name of it, TE-JS 18 LI Kit. Thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe. Join me next time for something else. Thanks again. Bye for now.